Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Elegant Carmine Plate Boots in Crimson Desert. Now currently right now on my location, I'm pretty much over here in Varnia, right on top of an abyss nexus. If you're wondering where this is, it's pretty much all the way here up north from the Crimson Desert, as you can see right here, and Hernand would be all the way over here to the bottom. So you just have to make the journey all the way across over here to the top. Now the location that you're going to need to go into is all the way over here inside the town of Varnia. Now the person that we're going to be looking for that sells the boots is pretty much Nora over on her tailor's shop. If I zoom out a little bit, this is the area that you have to go into. Now, just go over to her shop right here. Now for her to sell the boots, you have to let her be at Trust 100. If I check the shop right now and then press buy, you don't really see the boots right here. So I'm just going to give her a gold bar here to instantly raise it to 100. And now that my trust is at 100, I'm gonna go check back to her shop, press buy, and as you can see right here, the Elegant Carmine boots are up for sale. Buy it and then you can now equip it.
Don't be a stranger.
And these are the stats of the boots at about 19 attack, 7 defense, and refinement of level 4. And this is what the boots will look like on her. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Elegant Carmine Plate Boots in Crimson Desert.